Have you ever had something happen to you that didn't seem like a regular coincidence? It seemed to have a specific significance or purpose behind it, as if it was trying to tell you something vital. The world is much more than what your eyes can see. Many factors outside of your bodily senses can have an effect on you. Many people think that the universe can speak with you in a variety of ways, including intuition, feelings, signs, and even what are known as coincidences or synchronicities. Synchronicities, according to Carl Jung, are not random chance occurrences. Instead, they have a deeper significance. They are similar to key moments or occurrences in your life that appear to be connected in ways that defy conventional explanations. It's tough to define, but it can be interpreted as a meaningful coincidence. It differs from ordinary coincidences in that it has a deeper significance or purpose. When synchronicity occurs, it is an indication that something significant is happening in your life. You must decipher what it means, because it's up to you to interpret its message. So it's a meaningful sign that you shouldn't disregard. Synchronicity is about how your feelings, thoughts, and dreams are connected to what happens in the world around you. Carl Jung believed that what you think and feel might have an effect on the events in your life. For example, if you're going through a difficult time with something and then meet someone unexpectedly who helps you with that difficulty, this may be considered synchronicity. It's as if the universe is attempting to communicate with you in reaction to how you feel on the inside. So your inner world and the outside world are connected in a special way. According to Carl Jung, synchronicity is an ever-present reality for those with eyes to see. When you go deeper into life, you begin to notice a remarkable link between your thoughts, actions, and the environment around you. Synchronicity is the universe's subtle prodding you in the right direction. It could be a subtle whisper in your ear, a feeling in your heart, or a sudden meeting that leaves you speechless. Despite the fact that these meetings appear random, they have profound meaning. It teaches you that there is more to your experiences than meets the eye, and it introduces you to the wonders of the universe. Life can be puzzling when things happen in ways you don't understand, and you might think it's just a coincidence. However, Albert Einstein once said, "Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous." This holds a deep truth. The universe is on your side, and it shows you hints of its magnificent plan through synchronicities. When you stop thinking about it, you understand how everything is interconnected, and how the universe meticulously arranges each step of your trip, directing you towards your ultimate purpose in life. These significant events serve as signposts, indicating that you are not alone, and that there is a greater power at work, assisting you in finding your way. Every action you perform, person you meet, problem you confront, and decision you make has an effect on the world around you. It's like throwing a pebble into a pond. The ripples spread out and affect everything they touch. We're all connected in a huge network, according to Jung, which creates a sensation of universal completeness. And this realization goes beyond just a mental understanding. It's a significant spiritual awakening. Synchronicity for Jung is similar to dreams, as it serves to shift your conscious thinking and help you connect with this greater universal awareness. Although Jung acknowledges that coincidences can happen, he also emphasizes that some of these coincidences are so incredibly significant and improbable that they are difficult to explain by chance alone. Instead, Jung encourages you to pay close attention to them because they contain deeper messages and insights about your life and the world around you. If you have a dream about someone one night and then meet them the next day, you should question why. What does it mean, and what message is it attempting to convey? This transcends the material world, implying a deeper and invisible order in the universe. There may be a purpose and order to it all that you don't fully comprehend, and it's fascinating to ponder these mysteries. At times, the rhythm of life may seem chaotic and unpredictable, but deep within the chaos lies a hidden order that only your soul can perceive. Synchronicity unveils the secrets of the universe in those little and extraordinary times. It's like a window into the cosmic design, showing you that there's more to life than meets the eye. According to Deepak Chopra, there are no accidents. There is only some purpose that we haven't yet understood. His insight reminds us that every seemingly coincidental event, every unexpected meeting, and every fortuitous occurrence has a purpose that is not always obvious to us. It encourages you to be open-minded, to look beyond the surface, and to trust that there is a higher plan at work that will lead you to your greatest fulfillment. Synchronicity often shows itself in the magical moments of serendipity, meaning finding something good without looking for it. The universe surprises you with great gifts when you stay present in the present moment and let go of trying to control everything. These gifts may come in the form of unexpectedly meeting an old friend, discovering a life-changing book, or stumbling upon a quote or video that deeply touches your soul. Rumi powerfully described the fortuitous nature of life. He said, "What you seek is seeking you." Rumi's words remind you that the universe is working to bring you what you desire, even when you are not actively seeking it. When you embrace serendipity, you realize that the universe is on your side, helping you towards your aspirations and desires in the most unexpected manner. So, paying attention to synchronicity can assist you in making key decisions and taking huge steps in life. One area where it really matters is in your relationships with others. Have you ever met someone by chance and it turned into a meaningful friendship or opportunity? Perhaps you met someone at a networking event or struck up a chat with a stranger in a coffee shop, which led to something significant in your life. That is how synchronicity works. Your intuition is also very important in spotting and following synchronicities. Sometimes your gut tells you to do something unusual, like talk to a stranger or accept an invitation. Listening to your intuition and acting on it can result in tremendous synchronistic events that shape your life in incredible ways. So it's essential to be open to these moments and trust your instincts. They can lead you to extraordinary opportunities and connections with others. So synchronicity invites you to be more open-minded and receptive to the mysteries of life, so that you can see the world through a different lens. It inspires you to consider the possibility that your experiences are being guided by a higher purpose and intelligence. Embracing synchronicity can lead to a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things and a sense of wonder about the hidden forces shaping your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you find this message valuable, I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message. Take care and see you next time.